Hey guys, it's me Saatvik, and welcome back to another tutorial with the Coding Club. This week, I'll be showing you guys how to find out what letter grade a student has achieved based on his or her percentage. So first, let's go on to our browser, our favorite browser, in this case Google Chrome, and type in cpp.sh. And as soon as you do that, you again want to delete all the unnecessary code, like so, and type in what we need. So hash include iOS stream, then using namespace std and int main brackets void. Start off with our curly braces, and first we need to declare our variable. In this case, it's the percentage in a numerical form, and this form can be with a decimal place or without. So to be safe, let's define it as a float, because floats support numbers with decimal places. So float, let's call it x. And now we ask the question to the user. So cout angular brackets, please type or enter in the percentage you want to calculate to alphabet form, end and colon. And then we do cin for the user's input, x, colon again. And now we use our if or else statement because our variable has many definitions. So let's check what definitions they have. So in this case, A star is 90% or above, A is 80% or above, B is 70% or above, C is 60% or above, and D is 50% or above, and F is 50% below 50%. So let's start off with our if statement. If x is larger than or equal to the value of x, then curly braces begins, cout you have achieved a grade of A star. Small error here, 90. And we end it here. Now our else statement. Remember that every if statement has to be followed by an else statement. So else, here we need to include another if statement inside the else statement and keep going on. So we do if, again, x is larger than or equal to 80, then let's just copy this and keep it as is. Cout you have received a grade of A. And we end this, and next again followed by an else statement, curly braces again, if x is larger than or equal to 70%, then you have received a grade of B. End curly braces and else statement again. Start curly braces, if statement. If x is larger than or equal to 60%, then start off curly braces, you have received a grade of C. End curly braces, and then else again, start curly braces, if x is larger than or equal to 70%, then start curly brackets, then you have received a grade of D. And curly brackets are, let's refer back to our card again. So D is supposed to be, okay, so now we have an error here. So 90% or above is an A star, 80% or above is an A, 70% or above is B, 60% or above is C, and aha, found the error. 50% or above is D, and F is below 50%. So in this case, we can just do start curly brackets, C out, you have achieved, you have failed with a grade of F. End and colon. Remember that you have to end all of your else statements. So let's just do that now and do a final one. Now this should work perfectly. So now we have error somewhere here. Okay, so we have an extra one there. Please enter in the percentage you want to calculate in alphabet form. So let's say 80%. You have achieved a grade of A. So this is how you calculate the alphabetical form, grade form, if you have been given a numerical grade form. Remember that this is going to be our last week of using cpp.sh as a compiler. Next week onwards, we will be using CodeLite. Thank you for tuning in and have a nice day.